Hello, do you know what quarter two means on a 12-hour clock? Okay, if you don't, that's great because we're here to help. If you do, play some next games. Okay, so quarter two. Now, as you know, this is a 12-hour clock because there are 12 numbers. Now, to make it easy for you to learn, if I put a P on this side for quarter past, and you'll learn that in the next video, and if I put a 2 on this side for quarter two. Okay, now, the hour hand, let's point to just before 2, okay? And then the minutes hand, let's point it to 9. Now, this is where the quarter comes in, because if you think of it, is every number equals 5, let's say, so it's 5 minutes. So that's why this would be 5, 10, 15, so quarter. So if we go all the way around, you've now got 3 numbers until 12, haven't you? So 5, 10, 15, 5, 10, 15, okay? So the reason why it's called quarter two is because you're on this side with the T for 2, and because it's the 3 numbers have made up to 15 minutes, haven't they? So it's quarter two. So that's why on this side, this equals quarter two. But if it was on the other side, it would be quarter past because it's on the P side. So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you next one. Bye!